Hello guys. So whenever you see a new face, it means there's a new project. I'm going to take you through a project we did here for a kitchen here in Miga Golf Estate in Kiambu County. My name is Philip Oyuga from kthinteriorz. So without further ado, why don't you come with me? So welcome guys to this amazing kitchen. So firstly, the client saw us on Instagram, contacted us, and then we had to proceed with our procedure, which is normally the site visit and then the designs. Once we get to agree on the designs, we go and implement. This is what we implemented. So as you can see, the kitchen is spray painted. The kitchen size is 5 meters by 5 meters. So without further ado, why don't we start with the island? As you can see, there's a skirting. And then on this space where the bar stools are supposed to are gonna be, is you can see that we've done the panels just as the doors and all the paneling of the cabinets. So this kitchen island is water edge, and you can see that we've used a Kantara beige quartz. This side is double lipped and the other side is single. So the island size is 1.2 by 2.4 meters. This gives enough room for, it was strategically placed so that we give 1 meter ample for traffic all around the kitchen. So let's go to this side of the island. If you stand here, the kitchen, this hob is centrally placed and also maintains the kitchen ergonomics, where we have the cooking area, we have the warming area, we have the sink area and the fridge. So it's the standard rectangle, the ergonomics of the kitchen. So this place we are gonna have the double fridge, but let's just proceed with the kitchen island. So as you can see, this kitchen island, we were contracted to do the hob. The hood, the client was preferred not to have it, but we'll keep on with, we kept on with how the client really wanted it. So why don't you come with me to this side? I show you the details that we had on the island. So the other side is the sitting area. Because it's 1.2, it gave enough room for storage on this side. Because 1.2, that means we'll have 600 for 564, you know, creating room for storage. So these doors, if you can notice, they are soft close. We have an accessory here, the spice rack, which is also soft closing. And then we have the 2 drawers that maintains the symmetry of the kitchen island. This is where the hob is, and this is where extra storage is. Here we have another storage. It's decent, and that is where you can put your culinary books for, you know, you can do your recipes, different recipes, books. It can be your small library. And this one is the trash can. We've maintained the classical theme in that the doors are spray painted, but the accessories are modern. It's a way that, you know, we strive for in our signature elegance. So we are done with the kitchen island. So why don't you come with me to this side? We have this tall cabinets where we'll have the double fridge, and then we have our oven, and then we have our microwave. Here Also, these ones are soft closing, just to provide more storage above the microwave and oven. This part too, and you can see the cornice is well done. It also complements the style that we went with for the kitchen, the theme. So as you come with me, this side we started with our counter. The counter starts here, and if you look at it, if you are following through from the beginning, we had the kitchen island sitting at the same level as the counters around the kitchen. So here we put doors, also soft close. This is just a small space. You can put your, fruit rack, and you can put your blender or, warm your water in if you're not cooking. And then coming to this side, initially in the design, the 3D, we done the 3 drawers on this side, but if you notice, the length is very long, and then there's a door there. And also we wanted to do drawers here. So looking at it on site, it was not very symmetrical. It didn't seem very symmetrical. So what we chose to do is put doors on this side and then do drawers on this side. If you notice, also the drawers are soft close. So we've maintained the Cantara beige quartz for these counters, and you can notice that there's a detail on the backsplash. We've done an 80 millimeter backsplash, and then we've contrasted it with the tile. And then coming to this side, we have a double sink, which is very much functional. It's very much functional. And then here we have the under sink storage. Here we've done the doors again. So if you look at it from the far end, we have doors and then drawers and then doors. So the only place we have drawers is on this L, this other end. If you come with me, you'll notice that we've done again the modern accessories. If I open this is the magic corner. Some of us call it the lazy Susan. So this is just for extra, for storage of glass, some accessories you'd also, want for your convenience, because if you look at it, this is a corner, so you don't want to every time, stretch your hand to the far end. It's very inconveniencing. So rather, you just come here, and then, something that was a utensil that was back there, you can just come and pick it. Yeah, so that's another item that I wanted to mention. So we are done with the low levels. Now let's go to the high levels. So if you look at the kitchen, we had a space here. We had the windows on this side and a door on that side. So we chose to do the high levels on this wall and on the wall with the tall cabinets, because there's the door and then there's the large window. So here we also, maintained the symmetry where we had 2 high-level cabinets on this end, still soft closing. And then if you notice, there's a detail. We haven't left any space there, so there's a space filler, and then the cornice that runs all around the kitchen. So that is for this wall, and then there's the high level for this other side. So these are the only places we utilized to put the high levels. So guys, kthinteriorz is ready for you. kthinteriorz, where style meets elegance. We come to you wherever you are, no matter the size of the project, because you see, this was just a kitchen. There are projects that we do starting from the ground up. Please subscribe, share, like at kthinteriorz, where style meets elegance. Till next time, bye bye.